When it comes to building brand awareness, choosing the right targeting option is crucial. Whether you're a small business or a large brand, your goal is to make sure your audience sees and remembers your brand. One of the most effective ways to do this is through affinity targeting. Affinity targeting refers to reaching users who have shown a long-term interest in a specific topic, lifestyle, or activity. These individuals are more likely to be receptive to your brand because they already have a pre-existing interest in something related to what you offer. For example, if your brand sells outdoor gear, affinity targeting allows you to connect with people passionate about hiking, camping, or adventure travel. These users are more likely to engage with your content and form a connection with your brand. With affinity targeting, you can focus on people who've demonstrated consistent interest in your brand's niche. This increases the chances of your message reaching an audience that's already aligned with your brand values and products. Affinity targeting isn't just about short-term results. It's about building a relationship over time. Instead of targeting people based on immediate needs or behaviors, it helps you stay top of mind with users who are more likely to remember your brand in the near future. Since you're targeting people who already have an interest in your product category, your ads are more likely to perform better, which increases your return on investment. This higher engagement from these interested users means that your ads may be shown to more people at a lower cost. People who are interested in your brand's niche are more likely to engage with your content, whether it's watching your videos, visiting your website, or following you on social media. This type of engagement is key for building brand awareness. While affinity targeting is an excellent choice for brand awareness, there are other targeting options to explore, such as demographic targeting targets people based on factors like age, gender, and location. While useful, it might not be as effective as affinity targeting when it comes to building long-term brand awareness. Interest-based targeting is similar to affinity. It focuses on specific interests or behaviors people show online. This can help narrow your audience, but it might not be as specific as affinity. Contextual targeting shows ads based on the content users are engaging with at the moment. While effective for short-term campaigns, it may not help build lasting recognition for your brand. When your main goal is creating brand awareness, affinity targeting is a powerful choice. It helps you reach the right people who are most likely to care about your message and fosters long-term recognition. While other targeting options have their place, affinity offers the best opportunity for building deep, lasting connections with your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. And if you need help with your Google Ads account, get in touch and see how we can help. See you in the next video.